Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's open the Gmail application, and after that here tap on the right upper corner, and now you can see that we're logged in into two accounts here at the same time. And now just to log out from Gmail application from Gmail account, we should log out on the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? First, you should click to the manage accounts on this device, and after that select one from the accounts which you want to remove. For example, the first one, just click here and tap to remove account. After that, click on the remove account again, and that's it. Now you can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account, and when we'll go back to the Gmail application, we can see also that in Gmail app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.